Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Thomas with TMWYT, back again in the home garage. Today we have Jordan's Mk7 GTI back on the channel, sitting nice and pretty underneath the lights. What are we doing today, Jordan?
These little markers right here, because the lights, they have sequentials right now, and I want these to have sequentials.
So that,
batches.
Slow down.
So
your headlights have sequential turn signals. Oh. That's fancy. What brand are those?
Those ones are like Helix or something.
They're sick. They look dope. They look like the new Golf R, the 7.5s.
But
this is a normal blinker right now.
Yes.
Okay, so see how this one is like, pew,
and you can barely see this one.
pew, pew. This one's kind of like poopy, okay? And it's just like a blink, blink, blink. But these are like, see how it starts like here and then goes, yeah, you guys know what sequential means. Okay. So we got some sequential turn signals.
And then these ones are black as well.
Ooh, so you get like the double dose of modification. You
Exactly.
get the sequentials and then it blacks this whole...
And then that whole strip in there is an LED.
This whole strip is an LED and it blacks out. So just imagine, boom, that's gonna look sick. All right, we're just gonna toss these in there.
And then the new color with it.
Make them all sequential. Is it gonna go well with your nice little mirror? Got here.
Yeah.
That's sick, bro.
Yeah, no
Objects in mirror you can't even see because there's no glass. It heated?
Yeah, that's why it fell out. This got way too hot. Heated up the adhesive on it, and then the mirror just fell out.
That's whack. Dumb Volkswagen things. All right. Well, bust that thing open. Let's put on the new sequential turn signal.
This is in there like that. You're gonna tilt the mirror all the way down where this corner pops, and then the top pops. You're just gonna pull on it, and it just pops out.
Do you need to like change it with the control in there?
Use your fingers.
You're not gonna break it?
No.
The motors or anything? Okay.
No, I've done it before.
Here, you've heard it here first, boys. Not gonna break your mirror, even though Jordan's is broken. So you just pop that out, and then you just do some doohickeys in here.
And then you got little clips back here.
Little clips back there.
Right there, and then there's one in here. And you're gonna get a flathead, pop them down, and then this whole mirror cap kind of slides out.
Sicker than a Snicker. Let's do it. We'll leave a link in the description below to where Jordan picked up these nice little sequential turn signals. How much they cost you?
These are like 30 bucks.
30 bucks? Oh, I didn't show that. That's all right.
Okay.
You just undid those clips and just ripped it off?
Yep. And then if you look down here,
whoa,
you got little
yo, this is hella
torque
easy.
bits.
Oh, Torx pits. What do you know? Do you have a Volkswagen or something?
No, it's actually an Audi.
Shut up. Same thing. So he's got the sequential headlights. Now he's gonna have the sequential turn signals on the mirrors.
Sequential tail lights.
Ah, all sequentials.
And then
Looking
it just,
so
you know,
cool.
comes together.
It's very cool. It's gonna be sick. Yeah. Oh, it actually is working. Okay, that's a special Torx bit Allen key. It's not a normal Allen key. It's not an Allen wrench.
It works, it works.
It works, it works. Just don't strip out. Hey, what was that?
It's your f***ing flathead.
No!
You guys see it? Oh God, fuck. This car's too f***ing low.
Okay, if you're following along with us, there's gonna be these little clip right here. Boom. Pop that with the needle nose. It gives you a little bit more play. You got the screwdriver in the corner here. See how Jordan's just prying that out. Oh, it's starting to come out. Just be real careful with it. Don't want to damage nothing. Oh, there it is. Ah, not difficult at all. This is like a 10-minute install, guys. So very, very simple mod. It's plug and play. Plug and play. The new turn signals have the same plug on them. Clips back in.
Money.
Yo, that's sick. Dang, dude. That'd be
That's
fire,
baller.
bro.
I like that.
Dude, that looks sick.
New.
Compared to this, guys, it's so much brighter, more vibrant. Even though it's black, you can still see all the way through it. It looks very cool. Okay, you didn't just see us put the wrong one on the wrong side. We're gonna plug in the right side and do this the right time. Woo! That was a nice snap.
That was nice.
You like hearing satisfying snaps during installs, unless it's snapping apart in half. That's the worst. Nice. Everything clips back up. Pop those Torx bits in. Oh, there we go. Another satisfying click. Make sure it's all the way in. Boom. Boom. Yeah, that looks fire. I just love how smooth they are. Oh, that's sick. Jordan is literally the king of forgetting stuff. He put on the mirror cap without putting on those Torx bits. I literally said, we're just gonna throw on those Torx bits and then we'll put on the mirror cap. But Jordan just, oh my. First he puts on the this one over there. And then he puts on the mirror cap without putting on the screws. Oh dear. That's all right. We'll jump over to the next side, get these installed. It's okay. It's a simple job.
See, if it was a front mount and I forgot like a charge pipe or something.
Yeah, you just forget the whole ass charge pipe. We finish it all up and we're like, oh, that would have been smart. All right, and we got the right one put in. Same process as the left side. Man, look how cool that looks, guys. Looks so sick. It'll look a lot better in the cinematics, but man, that's dope. Both sides, fully sequential. All finished up. I'm not gonna show you the whole car with him going right now. Just gonna drop a little cinematic, show you guys how it turned out. Guys, these are a must-have mod for the Mk7 GTI. The sequential turn signals on the mirrors, blacked out, only 35 bucks. Hella easy install. What'd it take us, like 20 minutes?
Yeah, if that.
Yeah, freaking easy install. And they look so good with the Helix Golf R Rep headlights up here with these sequentials as well. You can see both of them doing the sequential turn signal, and they look so good with Jordan's updated wrap and everything that you guys have seen, the new wheels, everything. Just a very simple, easy mod if that's what you're into. Not doing as crazy a build as Jordan, but you like the sequential turn signals. Those turned out so sick. Now we just need the sequential taillights. You got these stock boys just looking so lame. Blink, blink. Got taillights coming soon, baby. Subscribe to the channel.
JDM Hot Boy and go some clear tails.
Sheesh. So yeah, we got many more plans coming for the GTI. You guys already know we just building the cars crazy as ever. Loved how the sequential turn signals turned out. Super easy mod. Looks so good with the sequential turn signals on the headlights. Yeah, great mod. Leave a link down in the description below. Jordan loves them. They look sick. That is gonna do it for today, guys. If you enjoyed watching today's video on the new sequential turn signals for the Mk7 GTI, please leave a like down below. Comment what you think.
Comment. We want to hear what you want to see.
Yeah, more people need to be commenting.
We want to know what you want to see.
Facts. Tell us what you want to see on the cars.
We'll do some crazy
if you want me to take a shit on BPAC's hood for a video, I will do it.
We'll do it.
Yeah, dude.
We'll do an art class.
If I get 10,000 likes on this video, I will literally take a shit on BPAC's hood.
Anything.
Alright guys, enough of the shenanigans. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.